The event's the Little Rock Paper Airplane Festival, and it's the third year we've done this, and it's what it sounds like. It's just a contest to throw some paper airplanes and have some fun. We usually have, between kids and adults, about 150 people. The actual contest, when they throw the paper airplanes, they'll go out back and they throw outside, and it's a gorgeous day. And they're judged on distance, so how far they throw it, and hang time, how long the plane stays in the air. We have trophies for first, second, and third place in 4 age divisions. It's a fundraiser for the Lymphomaniac Society, and we provide weekend trips for cancer survivors and their caregiver. My husband and I are going to start the nonprofit and the organizers of the event. So 7 years ago, I was diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma, and through all of the treatment and everything, my husband and I had an opportunity to take a trip, just the two of us, and it really did a lot for me as the patient, but it did as much for him as the caregiver to get away from doctors and hospitals. So once I was strong enough and healthy enough, we decided that's how we wanted to give back and help other